Hi everyone, we have Srini and Lakshman Ganda, UiPath MVPs from Hyderabad. Hi Srini.
Hello, Niklesh. How are you?
Hi Lakshman.
Yeah, hi Nicholas. How are you?
Yeah, so thank you. So how is your experience at UiPath Developer Conference, Srini?
Yeah, it's a great event actually, which UiPath has conducted, and it's nice to see all the product managers and the sessions done till now. It's a great sessions which are upcoming for the especially for the Gen AI. UiPath is adopting that, and great to see some more demos from our colleague MVPs as well. That's great.
Thank you. Lakshman, tell me what keeps you more energy while you are doing active in community or forum, or how do you do that?
Yeah, hi. Actually, initial days, UiPath forum helped a lot to me to learn any. Whenever I have any doubts or anything I am posting in the UiPath forum, I got the response from many people immediately. So that helped me a lot. So from my end also, I have to give something to the forum back. So I started the giving answers to the UiPath forum people and all. That is why I started. Then I'm participating in other communities, conducting webinar sessions and all. So this and all helped me to get the UiPath MVP award. Total, I got 3 times UiPath MVP award also. Yeah. Pro-
Yeah, hearty congratulations both of you for being selected as MVPs for third time, I think. So 2024, if it is a hat trick, so we can take the hat trick for both of you. And hearty congratulations for all the work you do, and all the best for 2024.
Thank you.
All the best to everyone.
Thank you.
All the best to everyone, and come and participate in the community things. Thank you.
Thank you.